Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block websites on Brave browser. Let's start. First, open your Brave browser, and once you're inside, look for these three horizontal lines above and click Extensions. After that, click Web Store and go and search for a site blocker. All of these options is legit. Let's try the most download blocker. Just click it and add to Chrome. Then click Add Extensions. Once it's done, let's try to go to Facebook website. If it is working. Now let's try to block it. Go to your site blocker and type here facebook.com. Now let's give it a try again if it works. Now we can't go to Facebook website because we blocked it. Let's try a different website like YouTube. Then, let's give it a try again. Now, it is clearly working. To remove it, just click the trash bin icon beside it, and now you can have access again. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.